Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up an ActiveCampaign account for email marketing automation and CRM, follow these step-by-step instructions for complete registration and configuration. Step 1. Visit the ActiveCampaign website at activecampaign.com and click on Try It Free or Start Your Free Trial to begin. Step 2. Enter your email address, create a password, and provide your name to start the registration process. Step 3. Choose your ActiveCampaign plan. Options range from light for basic email marketing to enterprise for advanced automation. You can start with a free trial of any plan. Step 4. Select your initial number of contacts. ActiveCampaign pricing is based on your subscriber count, so choose the tier that matches your current list size. Step 5. Enter your payment information if required. Some trials may ask for a credit card up front, though you won't be charged during the trial period. Step 6. Provide your business information, including company name, phone number, and address. This information is required for email compliance. Step 7. Answer questions about your business and marketing goals to help ActiveCampaign customize your onboarding experience. Step 8. Complete your account profile by adding your website URL and social media links if applicable. Step 9. Set up your first contact list by clicking Add Contacts or Create List. You can import existing contacts or start fresh. Step 10. Configure your account domain and sender information. Add your business email domain for better deliverability and brand consistency. Step 11. Explore the ActiveCampaign dashboard, including campaigns, automations, contacts, and reporting features to familiarize yourself with the platform. Step 12. Verify your email address by clicking the confirmation link sent to your inbox to activate all account features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.